Hello everyone, today I have a review of another Benchmade replica. This time it's an automatic knife, model Stimulus 3551. In the box, leaflets, a black pouch for storing the knife with the Benchmade logo, and the knife itself. Total length is 18 cm, blade length is 7.5 cm, blade thickness is 2.5 mm. According to the markings on the blade, the steel should be 154 cm, but I assume that in reality it is probably ACR 13 MOV, tempered between 58-61 HRC, stonewash finish. The blade is a spear point. On the blade there is a butterfly logo and the model number 3551. On the other there is an inscription 154 cm and Malpardieu. The handle is made of black anodized aluminum, opening with a button, safety switch, black pocket clip with the manufacturer's name, a hole for paracord. In summary, another discontinued model in the offer of Benchmade company. At one time, this was my favorite automatic knife, despite its small size. Unfortunately, I never had the original. I've already mentioned it. I know that there are supporters and opponents of replicas, but replicas are the only alternative to discontinued knife models. I'm very delighted with this knife. It opens well, the spring is very strong, safety switch works, and overall I didn't see any flaws. Thanks to this anodization, the knife fits nicely, even in a sweaty hand. That's all this review, thanks for watching.